first generation Honda CRV camshaft seals replacement today. Guys, from this Honda CRV we pulled the engine a couple years ago. You can check the video, first part, engine swap, and today I'm going to share with you how to replace the camshaft seals. Engine is already out. I removed some components and I'm going to show you how to replace those seals. Let's get started. You don't have to pull the engine out. That's even sound ridiculous, but I have my engine removed because I'm doing a swap. As you can see here, engine is still under the construction. This is a B20 B4 series, and yeah, 24 years old engine, and seals are not leaking, but they're old and dry. I'm going to replace them. Okay, let's pull the cover off, remove that valve cover, rocker cover. I have my timing belt, all components, all that will be replaced, removed. I just did my front crankshaft seal. You can check the video, and let's do the top ones. Okay, camshaft seals on Honda CRV, and engine is already set. First cylinder in top dead center. Let's lock the shafts. You need two Phillips screwdrivers like this. If you can see here, we turn the light on. There's a 1 and 2 holes. When you align them, you will see there's a hole on the shaft. What do? Just put in a screwdriver. Let me turn my flasher as well. Oh, here we go. And it locks the shaft. Okay. Locked exhaust, and same for our intake. Okay, as you can see, it went all the way down to the shaft and it locked. Okay, then when we'll be taking the sprockets off, shaft won't spin. Beautiful. 12mm socket to remove the sprocket bolt. Okay, in a bucket. Okay, let's pull the sprocket out carefully. Make sure we won't lose our key. In a bucket, it shows, as you can see, up. This way you install, right? Okay, intake sprocket. I will put a I for intake that I know. There we go, that's way better. Okay, let's take this sprocket out and a key. Okay, now to get better access to those seals, let's remove this plastic. Extension, 10mm socket, and number 2. Nice. Of course, we'll do the cleanup. Okay, now the cleanup time. I have a seal puller tool. I sharpened one end, as you can see, hook, made it thinner, and that can go in a tight spots. An idea is to go carefully, not scratching the shaft or housing, and grab the seal. Okay, carefully put this guy in, and then just grab the seal, and it should come out. Yeah, it's coming. Come on. Okay, I need to move my camera. And she's coming. Alright, good. Carefully removed seal. As you can see, I just grab it here and pull it out. Yep, only seal. No any scratches, anything. As you can see here, went with my hook, so grab it and pry it out. Works 90% of the time. You don't have to drill, put a screws, or do any of those boo-boos. Okay, seal is out. Let's just wipe it the shaft, make sure no any gunk. All looks clean. Let's clean it up a little bit. Is in place, same diameter, same thickness, outer inner diameter. Yeah, my seal, and I'm using a fresh engine oil. Idea is to put the oil on a lip, make sure there's no dry contact between the seal and the shaft, and we don't want any oil on the outer seal surface. We want a dry contact with the housing and a seal. Make sure seal won't start spinning inside the housing, right? Okay, I will just put a little bit of oil. Let's pump. Okay, good. Don't need much. You can put a grease if you want, but oil is fine. Something like that. So lubricated. I'll put it here a bit. Let's put it in the shaft all the way around. Nice. Make sure it starts even. Just to go like this, pushing this lip around the shaft. Nice. See, lip is not outwards or down inwards. It's all around the shaft properly, and I'm pushing by hand like that, and as soon as it stops, you need a 32 mil deep socket, axle nut socket. Put it here, put it over this seal and tap it. It'll push the seal in. Make sure it's going evenly. Let's go like that. All the way around. Something like that. Good. It's all the way in. Let's check it out. Okay, as you can see, this socket is perfect to the seal. And seal is all the way in. It's all intact, and yeah, won't have any leaks. Yeah, I'm going to do intake side seal in the same way, and then we'll do more cleanup, put a plastic shield, and yeah. Okay, I'm going to do this one. Voila, both camshaft seals on Honda CRV B20 engine. They're replaced, and I will put more information down in the description below. Check it out. What are the torque specs for those camshaft sprockets? Check that down below. And yeah, more Honda CRV videos are coming up. And thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel and see you next time. I'm going to replace the rear main seal, and video for front crankshaft seal is on YouTube already. Okay, take care, guys. Bye bye.